Hello and welcome to Falten mit Yvonne. Fold the money into pieces of clothes. You will find the tutorial videos linked in the description. You can fold pens out of your money. In my channel you will find different types of pens. Of course, you can also fold tops from your money. For example, t-shirts or shirts with a tie. You can fold dresses in different shapes and size. You'll find all of those video tutorials linked in the description. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like to see more tutorials like this. Thank you.